Want to use Anthropic's powerful Claude models without paying a flat $20 monthly subscription? Today, I will show you how to set up Claude using OpenRouter step by step. By using an API key through OpenRouter, you can pay for the exact tokens you consume. This is perfect for developers, creators, or casual users who want premium AI performance without the fixed monthly cost. So let's dive in. And for this tutorial purpose, I will follow this official documentation from OpenRouter. I will provide this link in the video description so that you can use the exact documentation and follow my video step by step. To get started, at first you can see you will have to install Claude Code. But before that, make sure you will have Node.js installed on your machine. So simply, if not, you will go to nodejs.org and get Node.js and install it on your machine. Then you also need Git Bash. You will download Git Bash and install it on your machine. This is the prerequisite you have to be completed. You will have Node.js installed and Git Bash installed on your machine. When you have both of these, you will just simply back to the website of Claude Code and here simply copy this CLI command. After then, you will go to search bar and simply search for Windows PowerShell. Here you will simply paste the installer command by pressing Ctrl V. So this is the installer command. If you just press enter, it will start executing Claude Code and install it on your machine. Let me simply press enter. It takes few minutes to complete the process. I will back when it's done. You will see Claude Code successfully installed. But before we complete this process, we'll have to add path on our system properties. So simply copy this portion. Now on the search bar, search environment variable. Then go to control panel. You will see something like this pop up. You will go to environments. Then here you will see this is path. We need to edit this path. So simply click edit. And now we'll add a new path. Let me click this new and here we'll paste. And this is actually for so that you can open Claude from any working directories. Click OK, OK, and done. Ready to go. Now I will close this and back to the documentation. Here the second step, you can see you will have to connect Claude to OpenRouter. So for doing this, we will take a new tab, simply search OpenRouter and go to openrouter.ai. This is the official website of OpenRouter. From here, at first you will create an account. So simply click this sign up. And here you can just continue with GitHub, Google, or by default user password. I have already an account, so that's why I log in my account. You need to get your API key. Simply click this API key and it will redirect to your dashboard. You will have to create an API key. But before that, you need to buy some credit. As Anthropic's Claude model is not for free, you will have to buy some credits. So go to credits and here, look, I have already funded $10 here and you will purchase the credit here. When you have your credit, you will go to the API key section and now we will create an API key. Choose a name. For example, I will say Claude test. Then let me click create. I will immediately delete this when the video is end. Here is my API key. Let me copy this and keep it a secret place. Then next thing what you will have to do. Look, from this documentation, you will have several options. You can go to shell profile or project setting file. For this shell profile, you can add this environment variable to your shell profile or you can just follow this project setting file. You can configure Claude Code using a project level setting file at .claude/settings.local.json in your project root. Okay, for this actually, I will go to project directory, then open a project. Let me open it on Visual Studio Code. Now here, I will just copy this back here, then create a new file and paste it here. Then copy this portion and paste it here. Okay. Here you can see you will have to provide your OpenRouter API key here. I will put my API key here, but you will use your own API key. When it's done, you can simply close this and then open your terminal. You can see from this documentation to start your session, you will have to command Claude. I will back to here and then simply command Claude and press enter. You will see directly it opened this interface of Claude Code and right now you are using Opus 4.7 on million context. Now you can start building your projects or you can ask anything. For example, for the demo purpose, let me create a HTML file. I will just simply prompt create a table in HTML. And if I press enter, looks it's actually thinking at the beginning. It created a table.html file. I will simply yes, and you can see your table file is here. If you just open this, you will see your table is looking something like this. Okay, when you are using Claude Code, if you go back to your OpenRouter dashboard and then your activity section, so here you can see the spending, request and token uses. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. I will give you proper answer. Thank you so much.